Hi, welcome back to day 5 of the unboxing of my MUA Advent Calendar. Now, I'm going to do this one really quickly because it is the end of the day and I am dying to take my makeup off and get in pyjamas and get to bed. Oh, this is a chunky one. All the products so far have been full-sized, decent products, and this doesn't look like it's going to be any different. This is the Sun-Kissed bronzer. It's a powder bronzer that I have not tried before. It's a nice warm tone. That looks like it'll be a good shade for me. Just going to do a little swatch on my hand there for you. Yeah, pleased with that again. That is going straight into my bronzer collection and I am going to bed. I'll be back tomorrow with the next one.